Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this episode, we will be exploring one of the most recognized symbol of St. Louis. Before we get there, we are passing by the old St. Louis County Courthouse, which is another landmark of the city. And now, we arrived to the place that I'm talking about. It is the world's tallest arch and Missouri's tallest accessible building. It is the Gateway Arch. Of course, if you are in places like this, there is no way you will not take selfies and photos. Okay. And now it's time for us to go inside the Gateway Arch. Alright guys, we tried to buy tickets, but unfortunately, they were all sold out. We were told that it's better to buy passes online. Alright guys, we are back to the Gateway Arch, but this time Rowena won't be able to join us today because her flight going back to Texas was this morning. After the security check, looks like we are entering a museum. Let's see what's inside. This museum at the Gateway Arch shares the history of the people, great collections of artifacts, and also it has captivating floor-to-ceiling artworks and videos. It is innovative, interactive, and engaging. After waiting for our schedule, we are now going to the top of the Gateway Arch. Staff issued boarding passes that corresponds with the tram number you would enter. We watched a short projector presentation about the overview of the history of the Gateway Arch and the engineering behind the construction of this structure. Now it's time for us to get inside the capsule that will take us to the top. As you can see, only 5 seats are available and it's very tight inside. Something you need to consider if you have claustrophobia. They said that the journey to the top is approximately 4 minutes It's quite scary because it is not the conventional way of going on top of structures, which is most of the time is a straight vertical elevator. And of course, you know this one is curve shaped, but I could say it's definitely a unique experience. As you can see, there are stairs and emergency exit doors, which is in some ways lessened the fear that I have. Alright, we are finally on top of the gateway arch. Okay, let's take a look at the west view. Wow, amazing view of the St. Louis skyline. Now let's check out the east view. There we see below is the Mississippi River and the state of Illinois. Alright guys, as an avid fan of skyscrapers, skyline, and basically anything that allows a bird's eye view overlooking experience, we can say that the journey to the top of the arch is well worth the time and effort it takes. Hopefully you love our walking tour episode of the Gateway Arch. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you again next time in our YouTube channel.